So hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video. In this particular YouTube video, I'll be showing you how to create categories in WordPress. So the first thing you have to do before you can create categories in WordPress is to sign in. Make sure you are signed in to your WordPress account. And someone would ask, what is the function or what is the benefit of having categories in your WordPress profile? The major reason is just to separate, just to coordinate and arrange your posts. Maybe if you are running a blog or a news media, like I said, you want to put a particular category on the left or right sidebar. So these are the ones that will to differentiate the categories from the other categories. So this is just the major function and also the major reason why you should have categories, especially if you are running a blog or you are running a news website. So now I'm going to show you how to create categories in WordPress. Go to the left side of your dashboard. You see, just move your mouse on top of the post, then click categories. So after clicking categories, you'll be taken to another page. So on this page, you'd see add new category. So what you need to do is the name of the category, the sludge or the slug, then just the print category. You can leave this as none. Graphics as a category. So the sludge would be graphic in small letter. So just the description, I would ignore it. So just click add new. So once this is the category, so I can as well delete all of these because these are unnecessary. But because I've already created these graphics, and I can as well go on to create different kinds of categories so that I can just be able to differentiate the posts, which post is for this and which post is for that. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting and educative videos that I will be posting from time to time. Thanks and peace.